Hello, it's April and welcome to Snapdragon Hollow. Today I have another Polly Pocket Keepsake Collection video for you. This is the new release Polly Pocket Keepsake Collection. I picked this up at Amazon. I recently shared a Polly Pocket video where I opened up the first two of these. They were individually packed. These are the new ring series here, the ring and case series. So if you saw my last video, you know that I opened up this one here and this one here. Let me go ahead and turn it around so we can see them up close. We opened up this one with Polly Pocket and her little outer space scene with her flying saucer, and this one here, Polly Pocket in the garden. And I had mentioned that I had seen pictures of a third one. Well, I found the third one, but I found it in this 3-pack. So I don't know if they're gonna individually pack this. That would be super nice for the collectors who already bought these two individually packed, which I saw these originally, like I said, I believe in my video I said I picked them up at Walmart. I also have since seen them physically in Target, again individually packed, and I have not seen this one here that looks like a little adorable mermaid until I saw the set here from Amazon. So I will leave an affiliate link for this in the description box below if you want to add this to your collection. Of course, now I'm going to have duplicates of these two, but also if you did catch that video, the Polly Pocket in this set here had a really loose joint here, so I'm really hoping that this one doesn't, and it's nice to have the third one here. So I can also share these with my granddaughter when she's a little bit older, so I do not mind having duplicates here. I love the packaging. I wish they would have just come out with this initially. I do think it's really nice that they sold them on the individual cards though, because that's of course how they would have come originally. These little rings would have been on a card like in my last video. So I'm gonna go ahead though and get these opened up. I wanted to come on here and film this right away for you since this just came out, so that everyone could see this new one here that I hadn't reviewed yet. So let's go ahead and open it from the side here. I do not save all of my packaging like I mentioned in the last video, unless it's really something that I want to display. I may or may not choose to cut some of that out. But here we go. Here it is on the inside. You can see up close. How adorable. It looks like a little castle with a mermaid and a seahorse here and a little clamshell area for Polly Pocket. That will be the ring. So I'm going to go ahead now and take the plastic off and we'll take a look at all three of these sets. Here they all are out of their package. The names of these were not listed on this package that I could see, but on the website it did list the names, and on the original two that I opened up individually it did have the names as well. The space one is called the Star Dream Compact. The middle one here with the flowers is called Fairy Meadow, and this one is called Mermaid Seashell Compact. So those are their names, and I thought since I've already opened up the first two, the first one I will look at is the seashell one here, the Mermaid Seashell pack here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the compact first, and then we'll check out the doll. So here is the adorable compact. You can see the undersea castle here. Looks like an adorable little, maybe a walrus there, and some jellyfish and coral, little starfish on the castle, a little beach scene there. That's totally adorable. We've got a little dolphin here on the bottom. It looks like it's a sandy bottom of the ocean, and we've got a little oyster shell with a pearl and a starfish, and this is the ring. I'll go ahead and take that out, the ring for the Polly Pocket figure, and we'll put Polly in there in just a minute. And you can see her little tail there. That's cute. Here is the doll that comes with this one. She's beautiful. I love the vibrant pink mermaid tail. That's really cute. Here's the back. She bends at the waist. I like her hair color. That's really beautiful. Let's see her in the little shell. She can ride along in the shell there. I think that's so cute. She can also fit up here in front of her castle. There she is there. And her little pet is this totally adorable little teeny tiny seahorse. Very, very cute. See, the seahorse can go down here. And of course she can go in her ring down here in the bottom of the case. So that is really cute. Occasionally you have to lift these rings out and pull this ring down a little bit. These are detachable. You have to pull it down a little bit so that the figure can fit out down in there without, you know, not fitting all the way. Occasionally you just need to kind of work at that a little bit. It can be kind of tricky. I noticed that on the last time I opened it up. I had a really hard time getting the doll into the spaceship. So you could even take the entire ring base out and set her in and then put the ring base back in too so that she'll fit properly. So that is this one here. Totally adorable. I love this one. Even though I did have to purchase the other two again to get this one, I'm really happy that they have all three out now. Really cute, and also not a bad deal. This set was $30 at the time that I purchased it, so it's really only $10 a compact, which I think is pretty good for a Keepsake collection Polly Pocket. I paid a bit more for the original two compacts that I purchased because I purchased them through a second party seller, I believe, at Walmart. It wasn't like the original Walmart price or like the original Target price, which is also really low. Although I do believe this is the best deal to get them in this 3-pack like this. You'll have to check around, of course, but yeah, and I'll be so curious if this set comes out on an individual card as well. I won't be purchasing that. I don't believe I'll be purchasing that. I don't need two of all of these. But again, I don't mind having the extras. Here I can share them. Here's the outside of the compact. It's so cute. I love how vintage these look. Just so cute. This is definitely how they would have looked. And it's got the glitter in the plastic there. So really, really cute. We'll take a quick look at these as well. Since I did just review these, I don't need to do an in-depth one, but if you didn't see that video, I'd like to give you a look at these anyway. It's so cute. Here's the little fairy meadow. I love the flower archway and the little mushroom and tulip. Here we have the little lily pad and a lily pad for this teeny tiny adorable frog, little frog prince. It's got a little crown there. So cute. And here is our Polly for this one. I love her flower crown and her little wings. So a little tiny fairy. She can go up here like so. That's cute. A very cute display. And then let's see. Oh, it keeps popping off. This one keeps popping off the ring. That's all right though, because like I said, sometimes you need to move it around a little bit to get Polly in there. Let's go ahead and put Polly in here, and you can see how the legs match up, so that way you know what direction to put Polly Pocket in. I'm gonna just move this like so. There we go. So that makes it easy to put her in her little ring and floating in her little pond here with her little frog prince. That is also so cute. Look at the little turtle and fish. The attention to detail in these Polly Pocket compacts is what I have always loved. You can just see all of that detail and imagine this tiny little world. I just love that. Okay, and here is the other one here. So that one was Fairy Meadow, and this one is Star Dream. I love that. I love outer space themed toys. Here we have the moon and the stars, a little rainbow, and a little astronaut in the back there, some stars, a little tiny planet. Here is our ring that is a UFO. I love that. It's so cute. We've got a little Saturn there and a little outer space scene. Here is the pet that comes with this one, an adorable little space chimp. So cute in his little astronaut outfit. He goes right there. And let's see our Polly here. This one is a lot better than the first one I got. It was very loose. The joint was very loose and she kept falling over. This one is holding herself upright, so that's pretty nice. So I'm glad I have a replacement on this one. And I love her hair, her cute little buns there on her little purple hair, and she's got her little spacesuit. And let's see. And here she is in her little UFO flying through outer space. So adorable. And then it goes right down here in the planet. So then we've got her little chimp there, and she's flying in her ship. So that is that one. Boy, I love all of these. I think this is so cute. I'm really happy they came out with these. And I'm really happy to have found the third little ring compact here in this awesome 3-pack. So one more close-up look at these new Polly Pocket Keepsake ring compacts here. Definitely a wonderful addition to my Polly Pocket collection. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this new Polly Pocket Collector's Keepsake collection of Heritage Ring Boxes 3-pack, and I hope everyone is having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.